Welcome to all ME2I student for engineering drawing lecture. We have already started with the unit 4, that is sectional orthographic views. Up till now we have studied why to take the sections, sectional planes, sectional views, next types of section, full section, half section, offset section, aligned section, removed section, revolved section, how to draw the section line at 45 degree. Now today we will deal with the problems, how to solve the problems, how to imagine the problems. Now I will read the problem. Figure shows the isometric view. Isometric view means pictorial view of a machine component. Draw the following views. Sectional front view looking in X direction, section at AA. Next, top view. Now here is the question, your question. They will give only this figure. Only this figure they will give you. Now, by looking at X, they are given X direction, they are given here. By observing the pictorial view, isometric view, three-dimensional view, in the X direction we have to draw the front view, and from the top you have to draw the top view. Now, if you observe carefully to this object, that how many parts are there in the object? First is here the cylinder, second is the base plate, second half cylinder, and here both the cylinders are made sturdy with the help of this rib. This is the base plate attached. Now, before drawing to the answer, we will look up at the separate parts, the orthographic view. We will first draw the orthographic view. Here I have drawn. Here is the first part, that is cylinder. Hollow cylinder. The second part is, this is the base plate. This is the first part, cylinder. Second part is base plate. This is the third part, that is half cylinder. Then this is the fourth part, rib. These are the parts, and I have drawn here the views. Now looking in X direction, this is the X front view, is the X direction. I am dealing with the orthographic view. First I will draw the top view. Two circle will be seen. It is a hollow cylinder. They have given the height of the cylinder. This is the dotted line. Second, this is the base plate. Both the sides are there. That is a stick to the cylinder. This is the half diameter of the outer cylinder. This is half diameter of the outer cylinder of the small half cylinder. This is a big cylinder. And this is the front view. They have given the center distance between these two lines from the top. This is the top view and this is the front view. Now this is the another cylinder here. That is the half cylinder. I have drawn the top view and as well as the front view of that cylinder. And this is the rib. Here is the rib. That is, we will see the rib. Top view will be a straight line, rectangle, and front view will be a. Now what is the height? Height of the small cylinder, half cylinder. What is the height? Height of the big cylinder. This is the length distance between the two ends they are given. Now I have drawn the orthographic view. Now I will cut the object here. That is, they have given every object. This is centrally cut here, here, and here. Okay. Now what changes? I will draw the section line here at. Today we will now show the section lines. Now, after cutting, what will happen? What we have seen, the half portion of the cylinder is removed. Which part is removed? Imaginary cutting plane is parallel to VP. We are looking, and this object, front object, is cut here. So, what will you observe? This dotted line is converted into dark line. And where we show the section line at 45 degree, where there is a solid part. This is the solid part. Now, if you cut it at here, at the center, now this is the hollow. I will draw this, only this much part is solid part. And here we will show the section line at 45 degree. Now, at this portion, this line will be converted. It will cut at this portion. Only solid part is here. Here will be the section. Now in this figure they have given the pictorial view, that is isometric view of machine component. We have to draw. Now how to start the problems? First I will start with the top view, because the axis of this is perpendicular to HP of cylinder, and where the maximum circles are seen in the HP from the top view. So we start, and if you cut the object into two parts, which will be the find from the top view, we will find the two of the symmetric object here. So what is the diameter of the cylinder? The internal diameter is 45 and external diameter is 60. What is the center length? 90. And here is the cylinder. We will see two circles of having one radius 15 and another radius. They are given 20 mm. Look at it here. 20 mm means 10 mm, 15 mm and 10 mm. So first draw the center line, horizontal center line. Draw the vertical center line. What is the internal radius? That is 45. This diameter is 45, and this diameter is 60. Take 30 mm and draw this circle. Take 22.5, draw this circle. What is the center distance? This is a 90 mm. Here it is. This is a 90 mm. And what is the diameter? Diameter is this 15 means 30 mm. And internal diameter is 10 mm. They have given the 20 mm. Now just join these lines. This is the base plate. Now what is the rib? Rib starts from here. Look at that. It starts from the external diameter here, and here where it is start. And so the rib will be, what is the thickness? That is 10 mm. 5 mm on the other side, 5 mm. From top view we are drawing top view. So we have completed the top view. Now we will draw the projection lines here. This center line. I will extend the center line first. I will project the projection first. I will draw the orthographic view. Then we will convert into now for the cylinder I will draw here. This is the base. What is the height of cylinder? 50. 50 plus 10. That is 60 mm height. You have to take the 60 mm height here. This will be dotted line. Now I will draw what is the height of this half cylinder, that is 25 mm. This 25 mm we have to take into compass. This will be dotted line because it is not cut now. Now what is the dish dimension? That is plate, this plate is up to this mm. Here that is plate from here to here. What is the length? This is the base from this center line to this center line here. What is the thickness of plate is 10 mm. Now we will see the rib. From where rib starts from here, that means from this point, at this point, and this point. So this is the rib. Now we have completed the orthographic front view. Without cutting we have cut. Now we have to cut it. They are given the section plane AA. Here is the section plane AA. Now from the top view single line that hacksaw is cut by, and here they have shown after cutting which part is removed between the observer and this cutting plane which cuts the object. Then we are drawing the front view. Only imaginary cutting plane, only effect will be observed in the front view. What will be the changes? We will look at here. That this line is converted into dark line. This line is also converted into dark line. And this line is also converted into dark line. Okay. Now common contact line. This is the cylinder. Okay. And this is the plate. So this common contact line, we have to rub it here. This is the common contact line, we have to rub it. Here is the cylinder, here is the plate. Here is the half cylinder and here is the plate. This common contact line, we have to rub it. This is and we have to draw the section line at 45 degree. Now I have shown the section line here. I have not shown the section because it's hollow part. Here I have not shown the section line hollow part. The dotted is converted into dark and common contact line. This is cylinder. This is a base plate. Here is the common line between the two parts is cut. That is forms the continuous. Here it is seen the continuous like this after cutting. The same way is shown here. For the rib we do not draw the section line, and this is our figure. How to dimension it? Look at it here. These are the two cylinders. They are given the dimension in this fashion: 560 outer diameter, 545. This is 45. 45. What is distance between 90? What is the internal diameter? Radius is 10 mm. External radius is 15 mm. What is thickness of rib? 10 mm. Then XY line. Draw one horizontal for cylinder as I have shown in the steps. And you can directly draw this and give the dimension. In this way, name it sectional front view and this as top view. Okay, thank you.